Today in this video, I want to show how to download and install apache tomcat on Windows 10. In search box we write apache tomcat download. Apache tomcat 10 has the version 10. Scroll your mouse. I remember 32 Windows installer. Click this. Now click on this. Your apache tomcat is now successfully installed. Now we install it. Next, again, select here and select full. Next, here shutdown port, you can change it or on default. Change 5 to 5. HTTP connector port, this default is 0. You can change it. Here admin administrator login prompt, admin password as you want. Remember the connection port. Next, this is the installation location. Java JDK. Next, here is a tomcat installation file location. Install. It's successfully installed. Now finish. Go to the program file and then Apache Software Foundation. Then Tomcat and then click bin. And then Tomcat 10. The service is now started. And here is the port 2020. Now we open a browser. Now we open a browser. Then type here localhost. Localhost. Colon 2020. Hit enter. Now our Apache tomcat can successfully installed. Now we click services setup. Here is login password. Login password sign in. Successfully sign in. Then that here is some of here. Thanks for all this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.